Hey guys, today we're going to grill up some party wings on the Weber Kettle. We're going to rub them up with some Uncle Steve's shake and Blues Hog barbecue rub. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to Green Horn Barbecue and Beer. Today we have an unboxing. Actually, it's more of an unwrapping because it's an envelope. We won some Uncle Steve's shake from Pickles BBQ. And we're going to go ahead and unwrap this. First off, thanks to Pickles.
Thank you, Pickles. You're awesome. You rock, man.
We'll drop a link down in our description, so go check them out. It's got an awesome
So you
channel.
can go there and go subscribe and tap that bell and all that fun stuff.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut this open. So this is a commemorative bottle to commemorate Pickles, I think 1,000 subscribers.
Nice.
Yeah, 1K.
That's awesome.
So Pickles, congratulations. It's a little late, but that's all right. But here's a little front shot right there. They have an emergency line. If shake falls below this line, get more ASAP. So, okay. Pickles BBQ celebrating 1,000K subscribers that give a crap about what I have to say. Pickles, we definitely give a crap about what you have to say because I like your videos.
Of course we do.
You're a cool dude.
Hell yeah.
Definitely a online influencer. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. It's chocolatey. It's kind of wet.
It's kind of wet. You're a pig. Okay, this has got a little spice to it. It's really good. I would say you could use it on anything. Shoot. That's yummy, huh?
There's
Got a little kick to it.
I taste a little bacon, a little bit of salt.
Taste bacon.
You know, I ain't no Gordon Ramsay or Malcolm Reed, but you know, there's some cool stuff in there, and I like it. Pickles BBQ YouTube channel. Be sure to go
Left you a note.
subscribe to
He
his
left
channel.
you a note. Read the note.
We got stickers.
It's blurry.
Hey Todd and Sassy.
I'm the star of the show, really.
Sorry it took so long. Okay, so he was snowed in. Sorry it took so long to get this out, but hope you enjoy. It's really good rub. Can't wait to see what you have next up. Pickles. So there you go.
Thank you, Pickles.
All right, so we're definitely going to make something really good, so you guys stick around. Enjoy the show. Today we're going to be pulling out the Weber Kettle, one of my favorite grillers, and we're going to take a bunch of mixed party wings, basically chicken wings, hot wings, and we're going to be using a couple different kinds of shake or rub. One's called Uncle Steve's shake.
And the other is Blues Hog.
So we're going to do about half and half. I think we're going to try out. And this isn't a comparison. They're both great rubs, and we're just going to try them out. So like I said, we're going to pull out the Weber Kettle. It's a 22-inch Performer. I'm going to use a mesquite flavored charcoal, but you know it shouldn't really matter with this cook. But right in the middle, I'm going to take some applewood chunks and put them down in the middle of the grate. And I'm going to put all the coal in the middle, and then I'm going to ring around the grill all the legs and wings and stuff, and kind of put them into the center. Sorry about the dogs are hunting. All right, the Sassy Kitchen Queen is going to tell us how she's going to season up these wings.
Okay, these party wings are going to be tossed in some sriracha mayo. Check it out. Local grocery store. And I've never used this before, but I tasted it, and it's pretty good.
All right, get started.
Okay, and with our other hand, we're going to open up this sriracha mayo, and we're just going to go ahead and squeeze it in here. Okay, we just want to get them nice and wet with this sauce. Doesn't need to be drowning in it. We're going to take half of them out of here, and we're going to season them up with Uncle Steve's. So let's take half of these. We're just going to put Uncle Steve's shake in here like this. Okay? This works. Now we have these all seasoned up. Let's get to the other half of the wings that we're going to season in Blues Hog. And we're going to go ahead and shake some of this seasoning in there. We've tried this seasoning already, and it's fantastic. I don't want to put too much. This one has a little more salt in it than the Uncle Steve's, so we don't need to put too much. They're both going to have great color, as you can see. I'm going to put a little more of this Uncle Steve's in here because I tasted it and it's not really salty at all. And I think this is going to be yummy. Okay, and then I'll stop touching them here. All right, there we go. Nice and seasoned up. We're going to put these on the Weber Kettle. So we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, they're all done. So I'd say we cooked them probably only about 2 hours. I hit them with a little bit of cherry wood, cooked them on the Weber, started about 300, between 250 and 300. I had a few spikes here and there, and not a big deal with these wings. I dusted them about halfway in, just a little bit, but not much. And
What do you mean you dusted them?
I dusted them with Uncle Steve's shake. And of course, little Blues Hog. Now, I just did that a little bit about halfway in. It just looked like a couple of them chicken legs needed a little love. They had a little bit of bald spots, kind of like some of you folks out there. But we took care of that with the little midway seasoning to just cover up the bald spots.
Wow.
Bald spots. So right away we noticed some very slight difference
In color.
They got a little. They definitely got the cherry mahogany color going on. The Uncle Steve's shake appeared a little bit darker and maybe a little crispier on the ends than the Blues Hog. Show them, baby. So that's the Uncle Steve's shake right there. And the Blues Hog. Okay, ready? Here we go. Not bad.
Are you sure you put that on the right one?
She's the Sash Kitchen Queen suggesting that I need glasses. All right. Definitely got charcoal taste. I can taste a little bit of cherry, but you know, they weren't on long enough to get a significant amount of cherry. But got a little bit of the color, I'd say. Tastes really good.
Audience thinks.
Our producer here, Clark, you may recognize him from our Montana trip to Canadian side.
Honey,
we went to Trapper's Mountain Grill.
These are Blues Hogs. These are Blue Hogs. They're salty. This didn't have a lot of salt. Delicious either way.
Good. Really tasty.
Oh man.
Okay, so you're eating the Blues Hog.
There's a strong salt taste, The salt's very prominent
With the Blues Hog?
on this, the Blues Hog, yeah.
This is a Blues Hog.
And, wait a minute.
This one's got to be the Blues Hog because this Uncle Steve's shake, I don't know, unless we got a few mixed up.
So I'm gonna try now.
There might be a couple mixed up. But I definitely was very careful in putting the Blues Hog on the left side of the grill and the Uncle Steve's shake on the right side of the grill, and I took them off the same way. We ended up having more Uncle Steve's shake than we did the Blues Hog. So I did put a couple pieces over on that side, but for the most part, you could definitely tell on the right side they're a little bit darker, a little bit more color. And on the left side, a little lighter, but more of a mahogany kind of color. That's probably just the ingredients.
Both delicious.
You know, like paprika and things like that. And the
Juicy,
quantity.
huh? Finger
Very
licking good.
Okay, I'm going in for
Babe, you left meat on
the
here.
Uncle Steve shake.
Blues Hogs are definitely sweeter.
So the Blues Hog, of course, sweet and savory. It says it right there on the label, and you can definitely taste it.
Oh, it's got.
The Uncle Steve shake, you know, they don't have a list of ingredients on his bottle, but
Spicy.
it's spicier. But I don't taste any sweet or sugar. I don't know if he puts any sugar in there, but I'm not tasting it. It's definitely more of a raw barbecue taste.
I don't know, but it's delicious. God, I'm starving.
Oh, they're both equally good.
They're very good.
They're both great. So Uncle Steve's, if you're listening, hey, I'd love to try some more of your different rubs. And again, we have Pickles BBQ commemorative 1,000 subscriber edition. I'm not sure what the ingredients are. I'm not really sure what the flavor note's supposed to be. But I'd love to try out more of your stuff. So if you'd like to send us some, or if you're anyone that's making a rub right now and you'd like us to try it out, get a hold of us, greenhornbarbecue@gmail.com. We'll send you the address and you send us something to try.
Dropping barbecue on the floor. She's eating it.
Okay. Watch out for the dogs. That's good.
Oh, mine's going up.
Finger looking good. All right, guys, this would be a good time if you haven't subscribed to hit that red button, smash it, and tap that bell so you don't miss a thing. And be sure to hit up the description for links to these rubs. And can't go wrong.
These will not last very long. Let me tell you, they're going to be gone very short.
Oh, we're going to start eating right
Short.
Okay, come get your salad.
now. All right, guys. Till next time. See you later.
Everybody likes